Here we have a 2021 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Coupe. And this one comes in Summit White on that beautiful adrenaline red leather interior. And the powertrain consists of a 6.2 liter V8 mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. There's the front end there with your LED daytime running lights as well as LED headlamps. And there are your 20-inch Ford aluminum wheels. And these are 5 spokes with the black wheel cap in the middle. And there are the controls for your power door locks, windows, mirrors, as well as your memory seats. There's your Bose Sound system. I'm gonna pop the trunk. And there are the controls for your heads-up display. And then your headlights there. But there's your power driver's seat. And there's the back seat there. Now this one has the upgraded performance dual mode exhaust, as you can see and hear there. And there's a trunk space there. It's a pretty good room for a coupe. And there's your passenger seat that's also power. I just love that adrenaline red interior. It is one of my favorites. Just a beautiful car, absolutely beautiful. Let's check out that 6.2 liter V8, shall we? And there it is. Putting out 455. So here we have the interior. Start off with this really nice heated leather wrap steering wheel. So here's the infotainment system here. You have AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. And then here you have your navigation system. You also have your climate, which you can control from here. And then you also have the ambient lighting, which you can control from the screen as well. You can change all the colors, and then it'll change it there in the door. So pretty neat. But the coolest thing for the 21s is you have the option for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And I hooked up my phone just to show that. I don't have any cords attached to it. I'm actually using it to record. And as you can see, you have all of those functions there: music, phone, podcasts, even your Google Maps. So really nice you're able to do that. And there's your backup camera there. And then down here, you have your dual zone automatic climate controls. And then you also have 3-stage heated and cooled seats. And next we have the shifter. So you just pull down for reverse neutral drive, slap over to shift, or you can use the paddle shifters here. And then of course your traction control, you can toggle that. And then you have 4 drive modes: snow and ice, tour, sport, and then your track mode. And you have your electronic parking brake here. You pull up to engage and push down to disengage. And then you have your little center console space here, excuse me. And you have 2 USB ports as well as an aux input. There's a view of that rear seat. You have your glove compartment here with your owner's manuals. And it's just so bright out here. I'm sorry about that glare. And then we have our cruise controls here. And then we can go through the radio stations here, saved on the favorites. And then on this side, you have your Bluetooth controls up here. And then your gauge cluster controls, you can go through that there. And then your volume controls down here. And next we're gonna look at that heads-up display. And there it is. And you can change what you see. Like I said, I'm sorry about the glare. It makes everything so hard to see, but several options for the heads-up display. There's your push button start there. And finally, there's your key fob with remote start. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this Camaro out on the road for a quick test drive. So I have it in sport mode now. And it's really cold out here, so I'm not gonna get too high in the RPMs, but we're gonna give it a little test drive. But even in sport mode, nothing too harsh in terms of revving. So it's not overdoing, and I really like that about how the car is set up. Flat surface like the interstate, the ride is really nice. Of course your bumps are going to be bouncy just because this is a sports coupe, but really nice ride. And honestly, once you get to driving this thing, you don't really care how well it rides. So that's sport mode. I'm just going to put it in track mode and nail it just a little bit. Just a great sound from the exhaust, just absolutely great sound. So I put it back into tour mode, and we're just gonna see how it drives from an everyday aspect. So the exhaust is definitely dialed back quite a bit from sport mode when you put it into tour mode. And your power is still there, but it almost feels like an eco mode in other vehicles just because of how tame the car is in tour mode. And once you get a taste of track mode, you really just want to put it back into track mode, which is what I'm about to do. And I mean, the dual mode exhaust, it really is, and it's been like this since these came out in 2016. It's a beast of an exhaust. It's so strong, so aggressive. All right, here we go. Oh, that cackle is fantastic. And one thing you do have to watch with Camaros, like most rear-wheel drive sports cars, especially from the big three, you got Mustang, Challenger, and Camaro. These love to try and go sideways, so you have to be wary of that. And they're just so powerful. But especially these 6.2 liters, they're crazy. Just so much power comes out of them at all times. So you have your fuel management systems in the engine, and it's in 4-cylinder mode, and you're getting 45, 50 miles a gallon coming down this back road, just coasting. So that's really where you're able to get that 26 miles per gallon on the highway. And the active fuel management really does come in handy there. And it's great that you can have that even in track mode. Like most cars, when you put your car in a sport mode, track mode, whatever, it doesn't let you save on your fuel, but with this Camaro it does. So really nice you're able to do that. And with that being said, everything's still awesome with the 2021 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Coupe.